For today's lesson,
you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but can an old Italian teach us new math?
what does skiing, water slides, and coloring outside the lines have to do with multiplying?
If rabbits like lettuce, do robots like lattice?
All this and more on today's
Math Review.
Hi, and welcome back to Math Review. I'm Miss Rosa.
And I'm Professor Jay.
What's with the salad?
I don't know. Something about today's lesson just makes me hungry for it.
Is it because we're learning about lattice? You realize it's lattice, not lettuce.
Actually, this is a spinach blend.
Well, while he's finishing that, let's learn what lattice is. Originally invented by Al-Khwarizmi in the 9th century and brought to Europe by Fibonacci, the lattice method of multiplying was almost lost to the sands of time. But recently, like most Italian-made things, it's become quite vogue.
And not only because it's delicious, but lattice is also a really, really easy visual way to multiply any two numbers, no matter how big or how many digits. It's more like drawing a picture than doing actual math.
Right. How it works is this. Take any two numbers. Let's start easy, like 357 times 4. Draw a little grid. Put each digit of the first number across the top, 3, 5, 7, and the second number down the side, 4. You'll see we now have a grid of boxes. The final preparation is to draw a diagonal line from the top right corner of each box, down through the opposite corner, all the way out the bottom.
Just bear with us. This will make sense here in a bit. First things first, let's quit with the drawing lesson and do some actual math. Okay, here we go. The first step is multiply each of these individual numbers. 4 times 7 is 28, 2 here, 8 here. 4 times 5 is 20, 2 here, 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12, 1 here, 2 here. All right, our box is filled out. Rosa?
Well, now that the grid is full, here comes the fun part. If we color it in, you can see we've made a series of slides or chutes. All we do is take our numbers like little skiers and slide them down the chute, adding them up as we go, like a rolling snowball.
And bada bing, bada lattice, the number left sitting at the bottom is our answer. Every time.
Let's do one more. 3 times 693. Let's make our grid, make our chutes, and now let's multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, so put the 9 here, and just put 0 as a placeholder here. 3 times 9 is 27, 2 here, 7 here, and 3 times 6 is 18. 1 here and 8 here. Now let's add down the chutes. 9 is alone, that stays the same. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now wait, what do we do with the double-digit number?
Oh, easy. Just like the last lesson, you carry the first number and add it down the next chute.
Okay, so the next chute is 1 plus that carried 1, so 2. Our answer is 2,079. That was easy and, dare I say, fun?
You dare.
Well, that's it for today's math review. Like any of our lessons, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and take some time to practice lattice.
It's even better brain food than lettuce.
Bye.
Born in 1170, Leonardo Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician. And not just any mathematician, he was the mathematician. He was the mathematician that little kid mathematicians dreamed of growing up to be like one day. But what made him so cool? Every time you write a number like this, instead of like this, you can thank good old Fibonacci. Although he didn't invent those numbers, he did make the case for making those Arabic numbers the standard, instead of unwieldy and, frankly, confusing Roman numerals. So, thank you, Leonardo Fibonacci, because math is tough enough as it is without having to learn how to spell in order to use it.